Once upon a time, in a kingdom surrounded by an enchanted forest, there lived a brave and kind-hearted princess named Seraphina. Unlike most princesses, Seraphina preferred exploring the wilderness to attending royal balls. She was a friend to every creature in the kingdom, and her love for adventure knew no bounds. One day, a terrible darkness began to spread across the enchanted forest. The trees lost their leaves, the rivers ran dry, and the animals fled in fear. Rumors spread that an ancient sorcerer had awoken from his slumber deep within the forest and was casting evil spells to consume the land. The villagers were frightened, and even the bravest knights refused to enter the forest. But Seraphina knew she had to act. Armed with her courage and the magical amulet gifted by her late mother, she ventured into the dark woods alone. The amulet was said to hold the power of light, capable of dispelling any evil it encountered. As she traveled deeper into the forest, Seraphina met various magical beings, a wise old owl, a mischievous fox, and a gentle deer, each of whom offered her guidance and help. They warned her of the sorcerer's powerful magic, but Seraphina's determination never wavered. After days of journeying through twisted paths and avoiding dangerous traps, Seraphina finally reached the heart of the forest, where the sorcerer's dark castle loomed. Inside, the sorcerer waited, cloaked in shadows. His eyes gleamed with malice as he tried to overpower Seraphina with his dark spells. But Seraphina was ready. She raised her amulet high, and a brilliant light burst forth, shattering the darkness around her. The sorcerer howled in pain as the light broke his spells and weakened his powers. With one final surge of courage, Seraphina used the amulet to seal away the sorcerer forever, restoring peace to the enchanted forest. The trees regained their lush green leaves, the rivers flowed freely once more, and the animals returned to their homes. Seraphina was hailed as a hero throughout the kingdom, but she remained humble, knowing that her true reward was the safety and happiness of her people and the creatures she loved. From that day on, Seraphina became known as the protector of the enchanted forest, and her story was told for generations as a reminder that even in the darkest of times, courage and kindness can light the way. And so, the kingdom and its enchanted forest thrived, and Princess Seraphina lived happily ever after.